Hi Capricorn, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at your energies and see what's coming to you in this time period. So basically, your energies are, mixed. I have seen your energies. So around you, there is an issue of Three of Swords. There is sadness and there is some silence. So Two of Swords, not knowing what to do, might not be able to make a decision. With the Three of Swords, this can mean that you feel betrayal or you have gone through a setback in your life. So basically, you are feeling very sad about your situation. So this could be because of some issues that are chaotic with the Queen of Wands in reverse, or you are dealing with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person could be demanding, this person could be dominating, this person could be shirking their responsibility, or are you have done it and you are not owning up this energy. There has been a difficulty between you and someone else. There is silence. No, both of you are not talking, both of you are stubborn. With the Death card, either this will diffuse or this will create a kind of rift between you and them. So what's happening is, with the change of circumstances, there will be a destined change. With the Wheel of Fortune coming in, lucky chances could be coming in to for patch ups. So there is a King of Cups energy and the energy of Temperance. This means that there will be some effort by a King of Cups, could be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, to bring you both together, or it could be that you will take up the energy of King of Cups, or someone else who will be keeping quiet, who will be emotionally intelligent, and finally there will be a patch up or a truce that will be called. This is the kind of energy you are surrounded with. Judgment will take place. Judgment is all about taking yourself out of difficult or lowering situations, and you will make a move. So there is a possibility that some of you will be walking away from a certain situation. Some of you could be departing at this time, moving. There is a movement which is predicted with the Six of Swords. You will be able to move on from this disastrous situation that you are going through, that has broken your heart. In this week, with the Page of Wands, there will be an improvement, and very, very soon you are going to take yourself out of an energy of saturation or energy of feeling low down or in a stuck situation. So you are going to get out of that. Departure is possible. Judgment will be in your favors, and with the Six of Wands, you are going to achieve victory over a circumstance which was ridden with obstacles. So there is a Five of Wands and Six of Wands situation. So Five of Wands means that there was disagreement, there was a fight. Someone could be might not be taking responsibility. It could be you or someone else. Someone is trying to be overbearing or is bullying you, or you may have bullied someone. So there was a problem between you and some other people. There could have had been a community problem as well, but there is going to be a victory over a circumstance. That is what I am seeing. So whether it is your personal or professional, there is going to be Six of Swords and Six of Wands. So basically you will be moving on from the situation and you will feel victorious over a difficult situation that had come and struck you. So basically justice will take place. What is fair will happen in your situation. So whether you were going through a office problem or business problem, or you were going through a personal problem, justice will take place. Balancing energies will come back. Temperance is happening and justice is happening in your situation with the fated wheel of fortune. So whatever had happened was supposed to happen. Something has ended between you and someone, most probably Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So there was a difficult energy with someone. It is finally over. uh, you will somehow heal from that situation and justice will come to you. So justice is that if there was a decision or if there was an issue, it will have its consequences. So the consequences will happen. So final decision will be taken, some legal decisions for some of you Capricorn. So it is worrying you. So it is worrying you at this time. You could be under a lot of pressure, going through sleepless nights regarding this. But with the Queen of Cups energy, once you understand what has happened between you both or what has happened in your situation, you take a break. So a break is required in a relationship, a break is required from a job or a business. And with the Four of Swords, while you will think proactively about your solutions, the plot behind you will change. So basically, taking time out is always the best remedy to let things work out for themselves. So your outcome in this time period is the Queen of Swords. So Queen of Swords is clarified by the Hermit and the Emperor. So the big energies are Hermit and the Emperor. You could be dealing with a Aries or a Virgo or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini at this time. So what will come to you, you could be having this energy in your chart as well. So this is a reading for Capricorn collective. Some of you have all these energies. So basically with the Queen of Swords, you are going to keep a safe distance from someone. You are going to fix your boundaries. You are not going to meddle in someone else's affair, because once you had meddled into, or you tried to help someone and you tried to confide in someone, it did not go well with that person. So this could be the kind of energy. So angels are saying, take control of your own energy. You do not require others. Take responsibility, accountability, and move towards your situation with introspection. So introspection and the Emperor means that you take action and you are successful. So basically it could be regarding parents, it could be regarding children, it could be regarding the business or the work. So basically you will feel a bit lonely, but angels are saying there is someone who cares for you. This person will be there around you. So do not be so strict on yourself or them, and things will actually work out if you take a break. So basically what's coming to you is some kind of stealthy energy. So this is a deceptive energy of the thief. There is someone in the community or family. There is a community situation. You could be talking to many people. You could be making contact with new people with the courtship card. There could be a rich person around you, and you were feeling imprisoned, or you were feeling locked in a certain circumstance, or feel that some responsibilities have been given to you unfairly, but changes will come and a gift and blessing is coming your way. So basically, believe in the protector, and they will protect you from difficult circumstances. So trust in the unknown. That is what angels are telling you. Trust and thrive. So trust comes twice for you. So trust in the energies that are coming to you, which will uplift you. Justice will take place. The Sun card is telling me success is coming to you. So enjoy your success and be happy with what you have. In terms of love, you have a past life relationship with someone. You have known each other before. There could be children affecting your love life, and you will be very soon be able to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. So this is what is being told for you, Capricorn. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so decide and then write to me and contact me. Keep watching this space, Tarot Priestess 1313, for more readings, and please do share if you have liked this reading. Bye bye.